What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's the 29th of November. We are taking a look at PNG USD. That's Pangolin / United States dollar daily chart. Coinbase is where the price data is from. Well, we are finally getting a breakout right now past major overhead resistance at the 28.6 being our highest level here. We attempted this breakout the other day. What day was this? Tuesday the 26th, failed, consolidated, boom, Friday, Black Friday here, we're getting that massive breakout. So this level has been overhead resistance basically going back. I mean, our real first test was pretty much like in August, and a couple major tests here in September of this level was once price support back in June, over here again in April, May, and it broke down and it got flipped into overhead resistance. I call it the box method. Let me draw this on the chart for you guys real quick here. So you can see we have this rectangle here, and then this one, roughly kind of ends there. And right where they meet, let's get the correct tool here. Right where they meet here is where this level, the bottom end of this range here, the bottom end of this box was price support, and it broke and then got tested, and it turned that range into a new range of overhead resistance. Support, resistance, floor, ceiling. And this ceiling has been in place, since basically July. And finally, you could see right now, today, the 29th of November, we're breaking out to the upside, and we're actually getting some resistance, some pushback right at the level. So let's take a look here. What was once a floor of support is now, or was, I should say, a ceiling of resistance, and that level is right here, guys, at 34,137. And then 34,300. That's their yellow and your purple line right there. The price had a ton of resistance down here at the 28,600, which also broke today. And then we're testing the next level, which is what was the old floor over here, which is again 34,137, 34,300. So it'll be interesting to watch PNG today, in the next couple days. How does it react at this level? This is a major level of market resistance here. 34, 34,300, 34,137. You can see we traded all the way up past our 37,890 level. We're back below that. We're back below 36,645, and we're just above our 34,300 level. So we'll see if this rally closes strong. Does it fade all the way back down here to like 28.6 and close down there? Time will tell. Both of those are very possible. This thing could get pushed all the way back down to here and be just a big candle wick like these, or if it's ready, which it looks ready to me, it's going to close strong. And, hey, good for the bulls, good for the longs here. And the same thing happened with Bitcoin. Bitcoin was testing this level of overhead resistance, right? It was in this big cup pattern. And I had mentioned, I said, look, if and when this thing breaks out past this $73,000, $74,000 mark, it could happen so in a very, very strong fashion, because it's a major level of market resistance. And you could see, here's the big cup here. And when it took off, I mean, it had multiple days of just going straight up. It went from 74, 73,000 all the way up to where we're at now, which is 97,000 in a very short period of time, 2 weeks or so. So never underestimate levels of resistance and levels of support in the markets. And that's pretty much going to wrap it up here for Bitcoin and PNG. So 96,626 is our level we're watching here for Bitcoin. We're testing that again today. Maybe we'll break, maybe we'll close above it. And then PNG, keep your eyes on 34, 137, 34, 300 is ideally you want to close above that. You know, we'll see what happens though. We have a ton of levels above that. Highest price target is for PNG at the moment, looks like $1.51.7. $1.51.7, but looking good here. Let's close strong. Let's close strong here on this Friday. Guys, thanks for watching. If you are not yet subscribed, join us here on the channel. Let me know your thoughts on PNG, any price predictions you want, any other projects you want me to check out. Maybe I will cover them in a video. We have Bitcoin moving up today, $1,500. PNG up 28%. Take care, guys.